So there you go. All fitted in nicely. Got a load of that exhaust heat stuff down in there. Going through the shed, really smart. Let's fire it up.
Start heating.
So there you go. It's only 5 degrees here at the minute. Coldest morning we've had this year. Well, at the end of the summer, I should say. Not sure what setting I've got it to. I've got it at 25, we'll put it at 26 degrees. That's plenty. But yeah, see you fire up in a bit. And we'll come back and check it out. And see what you think. There you go. This is about 5-10 minutes in. It's just cooking now. Really hot air coming out of there now. I'll give it a half hour and then I'll come back and we'll see what the old temperature says then. So here you go, about half hour in, it's now 18 degrees in here. And you see I've still got the ticking noise. I haven't got around to sorting it yet. I will have the hood off. A couple of guys have showed me a couple of different ways of doing it. I changed the pump like a few of them said, but that didn't make no difference really. So I'm going to lag it next. But yeah, that'll be at some point later on, I should imagine. But yeah, this was just a short video just to show you that it's all up and running and all good. Temperature's good. Give it about another half hour, it'll be there. Perfect. Yeah, so you could buy one of these with confidence, I would say. Anyway, I'll catch you again in the next one. Stay safe out there. Get out.